Hi guys, I'm Richard from Midland Tractors, and today we have a knobbly BPR 280 mulcher for you. This is a push-pull unit, meaning that you can have the unit either on the front of the tractor, like it's displayed here, or you can either have it on the back. This machine runs at either 540 or 1000 PTO speed. All BPR mulchers come with a full-width roller and an opening tailgate. The blade choice for this unit is a hammer blade. They have the option of having wire blades, depending on your choice and requirements. The unit comes standard with hydraulic side shift, which allows you to offset the machine from the cab. As you can see, we have this machine hooked up to our John Deere 110M tractor. This is a very nice fit. We have this unit in stock at Midland Tractors, so come in and see myself, Richard, and I'll be more than happy to show you around in more detail.